Welcome to the Big Challenge. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to view your students' results for the contest. Because the competition takes place at different times in different schools, compiling the results takes a little time. As soon as scores become available, a provisional version of the results is shared with teachers. This provisional phase allows you to review the results and report any irregularities. Once the final results are published, the option to report anomalies is no longer available. To view the results, log into your teacher account and go to the Contest tab. Then click Results in the left-hand menu. You'll see a table showing each student's name, whether their result is provisional or final, their total score, and detailed scores for reading and listening. Once the final results are published, each student has 3 rankings, one for their school, one for their region, and one at the national level. To help you navigate the list, use the filters to display a specific class or level. You can also sort by name, score, or ranking. Just click the small triangle icons next to the column titles. Your view will update instantly. If something doesn't look right, you can report it directly from this page. To see how, watch our separate tutorial. Reporting an anomaly. If any of your students are native English speakers, they should be reported separately. You'll find guidance in our Reporting Native English Speakers tutorial. Finally, if you'd like to export your results or download certificates, check out our tutorial on downloading results and certificates. Just remember, certificates are only available after the final results are published. You'll find links to all related tutorials just below this video. That's it for viewing and managing your students' results. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!